We are approaching the last chance to get involved in this new 100x potential meme coin. Ladies and gents, welcome back into the 99 Bitcoins channel. Hope you've all been well, and let's quickly deep sea dive into this one. Look, Dogeverse presale ends in 1 week. Could this be the biggest new meme coin of 2024? And we've got the details now. We know that Dogeverse presale ends on June 3rd at 10 a.m. UTC, so the clock is ticking. It's absolutely ticking. Claim launches on June 5, so you don't have a long wait for this one, guys. If you want to get into something, potentially make some gains quickly, this could be a one that is not really allowing you to lock up for too long. So you kind of get in, out like a shark, like an angry shark, and hopefully make some profits here and compound rewards into a different project in the future. Now, remember, pre-sales are not financial advice and they are kind of risky. Sometimes they don't always guarantee returns, but this one is feeling and looking good. 3 days, 20 hours to go. Over $15 million raised. One Dogeverse token is 0.00031. Everywhere you look, it's being poised as one of the biggest meme coins out there. So scrolling down, we can see the world's first chain traveling Doge. It going multi-chain, and this means you can effectively buy Dogeverse across different ecosystems, like chains, like Solana, like Base, like Avalanche, like Matic, BNB. So Dogeverse does not care about your favorite ecosystem. It just wants to bring Dogecoin lovers and Dogecoin meme lovers together in one vibrant ecosystem. So this looks really good, boosting itself with liquidity and volume because of its multi-chain operability. The fact that it's going to have these trading pairs, it's going to have a centralized exchange listing to help boost that volume, liquidity, and this will be really exciting, guys. Another good thing about this token is the 200 billion maximum tokens. Unlike pepe coin, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin, which has trillions of tokens, of course being exposed to dilution, heavy emissions, and inflation, you're not going to see that with the Dogeverse ecosystem. Pre-sale allocation is 15%, with 30 billion tokens being sold for the pre-salers over here. So yeah, naturally I'm feeling pretty excited about this, and I think it could be a good coin. If you want to research it and buy some of these lovely Dogeverse tokens, you can connect the wallet with the link I've got down below, which will take you to the safe website to do your own research and due diligence. Now, you can use MetaMask. That's my preferred wallet of choice. It just feels the safest and the most OG, and overall it does look like a great ecosystem, doesn't it? You can't really deny it. They've also got staking rewards at 44% per annum for this top dog here. Can you do a 10x Dogeverse? That's what I want to know. Considering it's launching around $20 million market cap, a 10x takes it to that $200 million environment. And just looking at meme coins at the moment, looking at memes by their market capitalization, we have roughly got, I mean, we could count these, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's about 20-ish, about 20 coins sitting at $200 million market cap. So if you think, you know, Dogeverse can come up to Myro level, Ponke, sort of Wen, Degen, Turbo, then you could be looking at something big, you know. If you think that Dogeverse has got the fundamental and utility-based value like Pork or Snack or Grok or Dogel on Mars, then again, you're going to be looking at some gains for this pre-sale. So it could be a good one to speculate on. Of course, not financial advice. Don't go remortgage your homes just to buy a pre-sale or anything like that. But it's good to diversify and follow the narratives in the cryptocurrency scape. Right now, meme coins are still solid, worth $60 billion. And I think we are in that sideways phase. So like I say, few days left here, June 3rd at 10 a.m. UTC, it will be done and dusted. There's about 3 days, and then the claim will launch on the June 5th at 10 a.m. UTC. It's your last chance to join Cosmo on his blockchain adventures before the official launch. Thanks for watching this video. Like, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you all very soon, and thanks for watching this episode on the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. Bye for now. Peace.